Finding the volume of this composite figure first requires that we understand what the figure is. It's empty on the inside. We could fill this tub with water, so we just want the volume of the solid piece that goes all the way around with the cone hollowed out. So in other words, we want the entire cylinder minus the cone. That will give us what's left, which is this composite. Volume of the entire cylinder, and then we'll cut out and throw away the volume of the cone. That will leave us the volume of this composite, which is this sort of like a bird bath. So this is the formula for the volume of a prism or cylinder. Area of one base times the height. This is the formula for the volume of a cone. 1/3 of the area of the base times the height. The area of the base is a circle whose area is pi times radius squared. And then the height of the cylinder is 12. It's the same here. So the exact answer is 512 pi, and the approximate answer is 1608.5. And this is volume, so units are cubic feet.